Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is called AI Spark by Mbadiwe, and this one in a nutshell is an AI application that creates ChatGPT 4 powered marketplace that leverages WhatsApp 2 billion users to sell anything you want with AI chatbots, and this can help you in a day manage to make $947, and of course you can imagine what that means, and it works in any niche whatsoever. No paid ads is needed and no paid experience or selling is required, and with this you can sell physical product, digital products, affiliate offers and other services that you have online, basically on any niche whatsoever. Now this is an amazing product that I believe may help you use WhatsApp that everybody's accustomed to, and be able to advertise your goods. It could be physical products, it could be digital products, it could be software, it could be affiliate offers, anything that you can do to make money online. This is going to give you that capability to do so. If you stick with me on this one, I will also show you the amazing pages of bonuses that I have for you, 2 of them actually, that will help you actually make a lot of other benefits online. I have 2 pages for you, and this will be yours as soon as you purchase this very product. At any time you make up your mind to get this one, the first link below in my description will give you access to the sales page, which is exactly this, and you can manage to pick up a copy using any of the other links scattered over this place, like this very red link will give you access to that. And then if you stick with me, I will take you to the members area, the dashboard area, which I am privileged to get from Shay himself, and you'll be able to see exactly how this one works. And I will leave the video to the demo video of this software in action in my description, and also the sales video in case you need to do that. Now let us see exactly what this product is about and how it can help you. Talking about the benefits, it creates stunning AI powered stores in 30 seconds or less. It can let AI find the perfect products for you or add yours, and then you can sell digital, physical or affiliate products, even any service of your choice. And you can use AI agents to sell the products for you, and you can deploy done for you AI chatbots that will talk to your customers in your absence, and AI lead sorcerer, which means this very application AI will definitely give you access to active leads on any niche whatsoever you decide to take, and you can send unlimited broadcast messages to all your customers with one click. And you can also, under one click integration, you will be able to get all top payment processors, including Stripe, PayPal, Wise, and the rest of them. And it has inbuilt traffic feature for 100% free targeted clicks and no complicated setup. Just get up and running in 2 minutes, and 0 upfront cost is required, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. So that says it all. That basically says exactly what this product is going to give you, and you can get a copy for yourself with just clicking this very link. It can go just for nearly $17, and that will be within the launch period of 4 or 5 days. So, and it has also commercial license and one-time low price ends with time when the time hits it. Okay, so it is very, very good. You get a copy of this for yourself as soon as possible, and you have 3 basic ways you can get this working for you. The step 1 will be to click any button below instantly, which is any of these buttons when you arrive with the very first link in my description. You'll be able to have access by this product. The step 2 will be to create your first ChatGPT 4 powered store in 30 seconds or less, and you have also step 3, WhatsApp AI agent, on which the AI agents that will sell your products on your behalf using WhatsApp as a lead magnet. Okay, now we have also step 4, the profit. The assistant will work without any human interference, and it makes you money as early as the very first day you pick up this product. That's what exactly Shay Mbadiwe, my friend, is saying about this. So you can find out yourself when you eventually come here at your convenience. Okay? But for now, let us go further to see if there are any things we can do that are of note Otherwise, of course, you have to be able to do so yourself. These are the very testimonials from the people who have been able to use this service, and you can test the fact that it's actually working for them. And now let us see if we can move further to see if this is going to be for you. And making up your mind on this is entirely going to be up to you, because I mean, it is, you can get the line of action that has to do with this very one AI Spark, and you can see how this is going to help you. This is the today's income according to Shay Adenike and his beta testers, and you can also make use of any of this information to see if making up your mind is the problem. Otherwise, this is exactly where we are going to leave the review of the sales page at your convenience. When you arrive, you'll be able to read all this for yourself and see if this is going to be for you. But for now, what we are going to do should be to actually take a little trip to the members area, the software itself, where we are going to actually get down to creating some of the things that are required. Though I'm going to put the demo video of the software in action in my description, but all the same, let us have access to that very point where we'll be able to make up your mind on this. Now, the very basic thing about this one is that this is the dashboard, and total marketplace is already created, 18 total products and 1 total order. Okay, and you have also 0 total. This is bulk messaging because it's for demo purposes, therefore you actually have nothing to record here. Now let us see about WhatsApp. This is the button that gives you access to the option of WhatsApp, how to use it. Select an account in the left menu, which is here, and then select WhatsApp feature you want to list. And here you can use your scan code to connect to your WhatsApp with this very application, and that will be able to have enable the AI do the magic that it does for you. Now this is the marketplace area where you have all the market places that are already registered with this one. These are all the ones for review purposes my colleagues have been able to set up, and then we can create a marketplace by simply writing the name of the market, like market name, for example, and then you can choose the very file where you want to get the information or the very images that you want to put in there, or all the whatever you want to say for. Let's for demo purposes use this very one and see if we can create this marketplace. Okay, it's doing the magic, but definitely this is the market unit that we have been able to create. If you want to know if how it's going to look, you can as well click on this very one. It's going to take you to this very page where you will be able to add your own products, and you'll be able to see that at that time when you add products, you can always see the list of the products that are recorded here. But for the sake of demonstration, we are not going to do that. So that's basically how you create your own marketplace, and that's this one is the product where you can select products. I believe these are all AI generated. You have Mbadiwe that necklace, and then of course you have the fashion stand, you have titanium steel trendy compact bracelet, you have punk stainless steel carton leather copper ring, and you have fashion small square bags. A lot of them. This is, you can add your own product by using this button. If you click on that, it's going to give you product price, your product description, and you have short description of the product like in the form of keyword, and you have also the non description of the product, and here you can choose file to actually bring in the picture and images of the products that you are going to add to this one. So, and then here you click add product. Okay, so that's it. Now this is my order, in case there are others already. I guess there's only one order yet by Mark, my friend, and you can see here is the button you use to take action in case you want to delete. That's what you do. Okay, and here when everything is populated, you have the name of the client here, you have the client email, the client phone number, address, and status. So that's pending orders. This is the button for pending orders, and this is the ones for successful orders. They are 0 because this is just for very demonstration purposes, and this is the core AI where you have the the magician that does the magic for this one. Here you can log in by using your email address and password. Okay, so that's about what you have with that one. Now this is the leads. In case you have made some leads, that means people have patronized you. Actually, this is where you are going to get your leads. You can view details from this very one, which is known at the restaurant, here and Oak Kitchen and Bar, and so many of them, a host of them. There are lots here that you can choose from. Okay, which is the leads that you have been able to secure using this very one. And now you have the account manager for this button, and this is where you get the account managers in case you want people to admin your page, your job. Definitely someone will be able to do that as a virtual assistant or anybody else. Now this is where you have the configuration. So this is the configuration, your API configuration for your payment system. It could be Stripe, it could be PayPal, it could be WhatsApp number, whatever. Okay, now that's about configuration. We have the file manager, the caption, the upgrade. So that's in a nutshell basically what you're going to get here. If you go back to the dashboard, it's going to actually show you the possibilities you have there in case you need to get access to this very one, and you will see everything for yourself. So this is sent, chatbot sent this. So basically that's about what you have with this very members area, and like I promised, I will put the very video to this one, how it works, in my description box, so that before you make up your mind to buy this, you see exactly how it works if you want to get a copy of this for yourself. Okay, so now what we will do is to actually locate the very pricing for this one, go through the pricing, and then I show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. This is now where we go to see the very pricing for this one. The front end goes for $17, which is $16.95, and this will give you access to the very members area from where we just left. And we have the OTA number 1, which is the unlimited version. It goes for $67. We have OTA number 2, which is the very done for you edition, goes for $297. Here everything is set up for you. You don't have to lift a finger. And then we have the OTA number 3, which is $47. OTA number 4, $67. OTA number 5, $127. And OTA number 6, which I believe is the right level, which means you can use the product as if it's your own, change the logo, change everything else, and launch it and make profits. Okay, so now this is the OTA number 6, and it goes for $197. In any case, that is about what you have as the pricing, which you will find out at the sales page when you eventually pick up a copy for yourself or make that decision to pick it up. Okay, so for now, what we'll do is to take a look at the bonuses that I have for you. The first page of my bonus has amazing bonuses for you. Latitude is number 1, a unique and beginner-friendly spin push button profits with NFTs. You have Twitter, which is how to crack Twitter traffic and siphon traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. It could be affiliate link. And number 3 will be insolvency. Number 4 will be the lazy traffic sniper. It's software that's going to help you snipe traffic, lazily from the comfort of your computer. And then you have also bonus number 5, the JavaScript commission bot. It goes for helping you get 4-figure daily commissions, and this is all about traffic and leads. Okay, now number 6 will be logged out formula, which is a complete beginner-friendly training course on how you can start online from scratch to scale your business to $10,000 a month. You have also the number 7, which has over 1,000 links that will give you access to different capabilities as commission toolbox, and that's exactly what you have. At any point you pick up that link in the description, the first link, it will take you to the sales page where you buy this product with the link that I'm going to show you right in color. I think we've seen it before. This very link, if you click it, it's going to take you to my WordPress account where you buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to AI Spark, and this one gives you access to these amazing bonuses that I have for you. But now, let us visit the second page of my bonuses for you, which is going to also blow your mind. It has 10 of them here. Number 1 is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets. You have also list building expert, internet marketing fast start, affiliate marketing secrets. You have 30 days to bigger email ebook. You have chatbot marketing mastery. building the perfect sales funnel, blogging for profit, and email list building blueprint, and also copywriting right now. 10 of them, these are training courses and ebooks that are going to help you for free begin to get stabilized on your way to making money online. And basically, that's exactly where we are going to end this 9 movements now on Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out some of the best products out there that are going to help you begin to make money online. And now this is exactly where we are going to end it. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain with Mike. Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from here. From here, guys, it's goodbye.